Let's go! Am I crazy? Yes, serving looks, honey. You can get these glasses on my site right now. Right now. Alright, let's jump in this video, jump right into it, y'all. I have the flu. Literally, I have the flu right now. So I'm gonna talk you guys through this, but bear with me because my throat is on a bean. Alright, so I had to get my chobani in, you know, get my yogurt in, smoke my little herbal influence. That's what I like to call it now, herbal influence. I'm gonna go right in with my NYX micellar water, girl. You know I love this, I'm running out. And I'm gonna use this to just pull out all the oils out of my skin, give me a nice, clean base to work with, okay? Running out of my Mario Badescu as well. So yeah, I'm gonna use the rest of that. And that green tea, a cucumber, it just does something to my skin. I love it, and I definitely am going to get the bigger bottle. I like to buy trial size products first before I purchase a bigger size to see if I even like it. So I'm definitely gonna get the bigger bottle of this next time, and I am gonna use that little bit that's left. Sure am. Yes, I am. Put that joint right back. Okay. This is my rose gold elixir. This is from my catalog. This stuff is amazing. It's made with pure 24 karat gold, and it's just perfect for your skin, especially if you have dry skin. My skin is really oily, but in the winter time I do need a little bit of moisturization, so I use a little bit of this, and it feels amazing. It's very lightweight, and it's just amazing. Okay, so I use this tape on my eyes so that my eyeshadow is nice and sharp, and so that I don't have any fallout, anything like that. And I'm going to use this super cute mauve color out of my BH cosmetic product palette and my Eco Tools fluffy little brush. Now this brush is very fluffy, but the bristles are very dense at the same time. So this is just a perfect brush to get that transition color all over your lid, and that's what I'm going to do right here. All of the products that I'm using are going to be in the description box below, guys. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share me. Don't be selfish. You have to share me to people in order for the channel to grow, guys, and let people know about me. So definitely do that. Like I said, all the products are going to be listed below for you guys. I'll send you the link to everything, so you don't have anything to worry about. So we're going to use this mauve color all over the lid. And I just was kind of like piling the color on because I really wanted it to show through. This is one of my favorite colors out of this palette. I use it on some of my clients all the time. I just love it for any skin tone. Now using this Urban Decay brush, this is also a blending brush, but it's a little bit angled, so it's really good for that crease when you want to deepen your crease. And I'm gonna mix these two colors here. I'm gonna start with the color on top, that light purple, and then the dark purple I'm gonna go on top of that, kind of mix them together and create a very deep crease. I don't know why this just made me so happy that my tape matches this palette, but shout out to Profusion. This is the cutest little packaging I've ever freaking seen. So cute. So I'm gonna use this color Honest, because let's be honest, these bitches can't fuck with these skills. Alright. So I'm gonna wet my brush. This is a quick tip. If you ever want your colors, especially the new colors, to be more pigmented, for it to really pop, you want to wet your brush, and that's what I did here. And I'm going to really focus the color on the center of my lid. I'm not going to put it all over my lid, but I'm really going to focus it on the center here, and you guys can just watch me do that. I'm using my wonderful DaVinci Bang palette from my catalog. I'm going to use this now this, first of all, this palette is just everything. I'm not just saying it because it's mine, but look how sparkly the colors are, and the sparkle goes all the way through the eyeshadow. It's not just at the top like some products you may try, and it's very creamy. Like, that's what I love about it. It's very easy to use and it's super creamy, so you can use it as an eyeliner like I'm doing here. You can use it for cut creases, and the product isn't going to move all over the place. It's wonderful, so you definitely want to go and get that. Now I'm going to smudge out. I'm going to put my lashes on, my eyeliner, all of that, and I'm just going to smudge out my eye a little bit with the same colors that I used in my crease. And for my bottom lashes, I'm going to use my DaVinci Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. I got this in, I believe, my Ipsy bag a while back. This mascara is a life. And using my Treat Moisturizer stick, I'm going to moisturize my lips. This huge chapstick is just... Using my Fenty primer, I'm going to prime my whole face and get this beat started. Ew. I'm going to use this orange LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is going to cover my dark circles. I use this concealer, and then I go on top of it with a concealer that's my complexion, that matches, and then I highlight on top of that, and then I put my foundation on. I'm going to make a whole video on highlighting and contouring for beginners. I know this is going kind of fast. If you're a beginner, it might be just going over your head. So I'm going to do a very detailed video next for you guys about highlighting and contouring and all about my face routine, so you can see that. Now this brush is also from my catalog. This brush is just the bomb for some under eye concealer. It really blends it in without removing the product. You know, some brushes will soak up the product, and this brush does not. It's so dense, it's so flat, and it's just perfect for under eye blending. So you definitely want to cop up on this, especially if you're a beginner. This is going to help you really be able to focus your highlight under your eye and not make a mess. Using my L'Oreal True Match, I think I'm in the color Nut Brown, I'm pretty sure. I'm going to use this, my foundation, all over, and I'm just not going to go over that highlighted area. Instead, I'm going to use my Airspun powder and set all of that in everywhere that I want highlighted. And again, I'm going to make a video for you guys all about this, so don't worry. It's coming for beginners, a full face routine, so you guys can really slay. I'm going to use my Star Look lip liner in the color Charmed and my NYX lingerie in the color French Maid. I love NYX lip lingerie. Teddy is my favorite color. Y'all know I wear that all the time. But French Maid is super cute, and it matches my nails color right now. So it was definitely perfect for this look. And it's just a very smooth product. It does dry pretty matte, but it's still super smooth. It's like butter, baby, butter. And using my Urban Decay little mini Vice lipstick, I'm going to just put that on top, and it just kind of gave it another little pop. Using my Rainforest Sea by Tarte, Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte, my setting spray, I'm going to just set my face with that before I do any highlighting or anything like that. I like to just set my face first and then put the highlight on top of it. It's up to you which way you want to do it, but I prefer to put my highlight on top of my setting spray. Everybody does it differently. It's your preference. For highlight, I'm going to go back into my Profusion palette, and I'm going to use the color Awake, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my face. And of course, my face isn't completed without my moles. I need my moles or I just don't feel complete. And that's it, girl. That's the look. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share me. Don't be selfish. Holla, holla. I'm about to go edit these pictures. I'm gonna be looking cute and shit on the gram. Flexing on the gram, I am.